Hey builders! Teams that spent last year prototyping AI agents are way past, can I build this? The builders setting the pace now are the ones who ship to production. As an agent builder, it's up to you to close the gap with reliable, self-service data. And building a production-ready Cortex agent means wiring together a lot of moving parts correctly. You need a semantic layer that encodes your business logic, clear and precise orchestration instructions with various tools and MCP connections, skills that give your agents repeatable domain expertise your whole team can share, and verified queries to anchor accurate SQL patterns, and evals to confirm accuracy before stakeholders act on the data. CoCo is your data-native AI coding agent that brings Snowflake expertise wherever you build, whether that's in Snowsight, your CLI, our native desktop app, or your favorite IDE. To show the full workflow, let's use CoCo to build an agent from scratch. We'll build an agent that provides a 360 view of any customer account. Users will be able to ask about consumption trends, health signals, open support issues, and renewal risks, all from Snowflake Cowork. In Snowsight, I'll drop this prompt into CoCo. Build a production-ready customer intelligence agent in Snowflake Cowork. The agent should give sales reps and executives a 360-degree view of any account, consumption trends, health signals, open support issues, and renewal risks. Let's talk through what's happening. CoCo starts by reading your table metadata so it understands the actual shape of your data before touching anything. Then it generates a semantic view, encoding your business logic so your agent knows your organization's business terms. Then it writes the agent specification with instructions tuned for this use case, tools wired to the semantic view, and the right model configuration. It deploys and publishes the agent, then fires your test questions against it to validate the responses. If anything looks off, CoCo identifies the gap and fixes it before handing back control. Once the core agent is built, let's extend its capabilities. I want to add the code execution tool so the agent can generate charts and PDFs directly from the conversation. I will have CoCo build a custom skill so every rep gets the same structure forecast. Then add external systems using MCP connectors for Salesforce, Google Drive, email, or Slack. Let's have CoCo check on our agent version so every change to the agent config is immutable snapshots and production isn't touched until it's ready. We want to make sure our agent works well and continues to do so, so let's go ahead and create an evaluation dataset. And we can also set cost budgets for our teams or by user. Let's ask CoCo to configure a cost budget so each department has independent spending limits. And you can keep going to scale your managed agents. For jobs that run minutes rather than milliseconds, we can kick them off with the async agent API to run in the background without holding a connection open. Within a single conversation, CoCo produced a complete customer intelligence agent. Your sales team and executives can start asking questions today. Let's open Cowork so you can give it a spin and share it with your team. As stakeholders' feedback comes in, come back to CoCo to tighten up the instructions, add more tools, and expand the evals. The best agents get sharper with every round of real feedback. Now it's your turn. Show me what you can build with CoCo.